Recently I made a video called Why Windows 11 is not for me. In that video I discussed a lot of disadvantages of Windows 11. Believe it or not, but after that video, in short period of time, I switched to Windows 11. There was a good reason for this, and I will tell you about it. But first, I want to thank our sponsors. SwiftDo PDF, ultimate solution to your PDF documents. A few clicks to view, create, edit, convert, and manage PDFs. PDF editing is not an easy job until you get to know SwiftDo PDF. You can edit PDF images and crop PDF pages. Not only can you add PDF text directly, but you can insert text boxes wherever you need. And you can search for a word in PDF and replace everything. SwiftDo PDF, all in one PDF software. Many people may now criticize me now, but as of today, Windows 11 is my daily OS. I know what you're thinking. Hey dude, you just told us that Windows 11 is a bad operating system, but now you use it yourself. You know what? That's the truth. Yes, in the past I criticized Windows 11 and now I use it as my daily OS. But here's the thing. Let's start with the fact that before using Windows 11, I actively used Windows 10 as my daily OS. And I like it very much. I still like it. And I used Windows 10 on laptops that was released in era of Windows 10. It's very important to understand. So when the laptop was released, the only operating system in that time was Windows 10. I have already said that there are many laptops that meet Windows 11 system requirements. However, they work unstably and they do not have all necessary drivers for Windows 11, which by the way Windows 10 has. So what happened? Everything is much simpler. I just bought a new PC that was released in era of Windows 11. That's all. New motherboard, new GPU, new components. In my opinion, there is no need in installing Windows 10 and older versions on new devices that was specifically made for Windows 11. So you cannot even find drivers for Windows 10, so what the point of installing Windows 10 on such a device? Honestly, I just don't get it. Plus, I'm going to do more content about Windows 11 and it will be good to master Windows 11 not only in a virtual machine. So yep, I need to use it as my daily OS. The main question is, what are the advantages of Windows 11 that I found for myself in these 2 weeks? Firstly, miracle did not happen. Windows 11 is Windows 11, I still like more Windows 10. However, I found some interesting benefit of Windows 11. For example, I noticed that in many benchmarks, GPU, which is video card, perform much better in Windows 11 than in Windows 10. However, Windows 11 uses more CPU than Windows 10. So literally it uses more juice. To be honest, I haven't found any more advantages yet. But I will keep you updated on this topic. If this video was helpful, please like it and I recommend watching this video on how to bypass Microsoft account, annoying Microsoft account, in Windows 11.